Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the atom, the smallest unit of an element that still behaves like that element. By the end of this, you'll have a clear mental picture of where the protons, neutrons and electrons sit and why an atom is mostly empty space. An atom has a tiny dense nucleus containing protons and neutrons surrounded by electrons in shells. Protons are positive, electrons negative, neutrons neutral. The atom is electrically neutral overall because the number of protons equals the number of electrons. The radius is about 1 times 10 to the minus 10 meters. Three things to lock in. 1. Nearly all the mass is in the nucleus. Electrons barely add anything. 2. The atom is mostly empty space. The nucleus is roughly 10,000 times smaller than the atom itself. And 3. A neutral atom has equal protons and electrons. Common mistake. Picturing atoms as solid balls. They're not. They're almost entirely empty, with a tiny central nucleus and electrons whizzing in shells far out from it. The solid feel of matter comes from those electron shells repelling each other. Quick example. A carbon atom has 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. Total charge equals +6 minus 6 equals 0. Neutral. Change the electron count and it becomes an ion. Change the proton count and it isn't carbon anymore. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.